Foundation. I don't know if you all know it. If you all know Sadhguru, then you all know this place very well. It's like an ashram, and yeah, Divya was right there, we just saw him. So yeah, it's like an ashram, and they have invited a few creators for a creators retreat, so we are going for that. I'm really excited because I've never had this kind of experience, like living like the Sattvic life and doing yoga, and I think even Sarah
my mom told me Sattvic means that no onions and no garlic oil.
Yeah, I know that, but whenever you eat it, you'll not even come to know that it doesn't, it's lacking onion or garlic or whatever. Yeah, so now we're on our way, and it's actually in Coimbatore. So we are taking a flight from here to Coimbatore, and then from there we'll take a cab. And Divya is also coming with us. We just saw him get into his cab, and yeah, and I'm gonna vlog the whole.
So you guys are going to experience something divine, something spiritual.
Let's go. We're waiting for our bus, and then we go.
Hello, bhailo. Hello, bhailo. Hello,
We are in the bus, going to the place. You know your Indigo flyer when we take you sit in a bus before you go on the plane.
Hi, Kanchi.
Hi.
So I'm gonna ask you 5 questions.
Is the angle perfect? Because I don't think it is.
Okay. Where are you going?
I'm going to Coimbatore.
Okay. Why are you going to Coimbatore?
Because I'm going to Isha Yoga Foundation.
Okay. What exactly do you do in Isha Yoga Foundation?
I still don't know. It's my first time there, but I think it's like more like a detox, a rejuvenation vibe. Guys, we have reached, and I am in the room. I'm going to show you the room. I was so scared that I might have to share the room with someone, like some girl that I don't know. But they told me you have a single room and no one's gonna be sharing with you. I love that. So I'm gonna show you the room. This is how the room looks. Really simple and nice, but it's so clean. Like everything is so clean, and there's so much space here. I can shoot. This is the room, and wait. This is the bathroom. Really clean. That's what I wanted, and I like that. And this is the view outside of the room. Look at that view. So everything over here is like really far. Like this is a cottage area where all the rooms are placed, and the other stuff is like far. So they said we'll have a shuttle service for y'all. So that's a good thing. And outside, if you see, then it looks like that. I am ready. This is my outfit of the day, and now we're going to go for lunch. We have to go quickly because they're like come down in 2 minutes, so I'm gonna rush and let's go. The food is gonna be yummy. I'm so excited. This is the outside of the rooms, and it's so good. Hi. Let's go. This is the lunch place. How pretty can it get? Eating with this view. Wow, bro. After lunch we'll just fix it. Lunch has been served and it looks really good. Are you excited? And we're sitting down and eating. It feels so good.
Sprouts juice is there?
I didn't take that. I didn't
Coconut
take that.
juice है। भाई गाना बहुत अच्छा है। भाई लड्डू बहुत जुगल है। किसका लड्डू है बोला? रागी रागी।
We are sitting here and clicking pictures. The view is just so good, and this place is so peaceful. I was literally sitting here and I was clicking my pics, and I felt like I just want to go to sleep on that. It's feeling so positive, and like it's such a nice vibe. The food, by the way, was amazing. So good. What was your favorite?
The food was generally
In the
so
food.
good. The food only. It was amazing.
What was your
Paneer ki
favorite
sabzi
from
was also
that?
different, yaar. What was nice? Bro, the roti
dal
was something
was-
different.
yeah.
The roti was something different.
This is what they've given us right now. That's so pretty. The flowers and this, and we're all sitting over here. Oh, thanks. Divya, hi.
Hi, first time to the vlog. Today's vlog.
This is a book and this is a warm welcome message. We did a lot. I didn't vlog that because we couldn't take the camera to the temple and all, and we also did a lot before that, which I didn't vlog over here in the garden. But I'll tell you all in the room. And the food.
Did you vlog the game a little bit?
It's there on my so you all will see. I vlogged on my phone. So yeah. Now.
Also, are you liking the food?
Yeah, I love it. I feel I'm eating better here than I eat at my house. Like I'm eating good. It feels healthy. Hi guys, good morning. This is the next day. I slept yesterday as soon as I came into the room, and I couldn't like literally vlog or do anything. I was so sleepy. I slept at 10 sharp, and now it's like 6:58 and I'm awake because I got such good sleep. And yeah, so yesterday, after what you saw, after we had lunch, they had a whole orientation for us, which was like explaining what all they have here and all, and they gave us like a really nice package with a book, a personalized note, and after that they made us play, they made us do meditation for a bit, which was like so like new for me because I have done meditation before, but not for so long. It was almost like I think half an hour or something, and it felt something like really strong, and it was really different. And then we played games. Yeah, then they made us play games like dodgeball and stuff, and then they had music and all, people were dancing, so that was the whole vibe. And after which we went to the temple, where apparently the temple is called Dhyanalinga, and it's like you have to be very quiet there. You can't speak because people go there for meditation, so there has to be pin drop silence. And my alarm. And before you go into the temple, you have to like dip into a water to cleanse your body. Like they have different of these for men and women, and I was like really confused if I should go into it or not. But a friend of mine told me that you must do that dip because you'll feel amazing after that. I felt so good after that. That's all I want to say, because first of all it was freezing cold, but somehow I didn't feel the cold. So that, and then we went to the temple, and then they had a procession and stuff over there, and after which we had dinner. So that was the whole thing we did yesterday. After that we'll see. I'll take you along, and I'm going to show you the view right now. This is the view from my room. Wow, so pretty. Ready for yoga? Let's go. Look at the views. Bro, how are the clouds so niche?
Everyone had a bath. You also had a bath.
I had a bath.
Camera. Everyone watching have a bath.
Have a bath. Everywhere inside here we are traveling by buses because it is so far. The whole property is huge, and right now we are on our way to yoga.
Ready for yoga?
Speak loudly over here. We are cycling. Peace.
चल छोड़ दे.
नहीं. I am ready. This is my outfit and I love this outfit so much, and I've worn matching earrings. And now we're gonna go to like a nursery, I think a plantation kind of place, and then a school, which is gonna be really interesting. Where are we?
We are at the plantation drive.
Nursery, yeah.
Nursery, नर्सरी तो मैं बचपन में जाता था जब छोटा था. नर्सरी भी गया हूँ, सीनियर केजी भी गया हूँ, जूनियर केजी भी गया हूँ.
But this is a nursery of plants.
अच्छा.
Wait, let me show you.
So guys, this is the nursery and you're
Why are you
for a plantation drive. So this is welcome to Discovery Channel, and today I'm going to show you all what exactly we do around here.
सबसे खींच ही रहा हूँ मैं.
Catch it at the very bottom and just gently pull it so that it comes with the root. If it breaks, then it's
It doesn't break, the stem doesn't break.
Yeah, let's go.
Plant this now.
We want to plant the tree.
Soil.
So you just plucked this?
We didn't pluck it, we removed it.
You removed it. So what is the process exactly?
Just a sapling.
Okay.
And there were seeds over there. This seed grew into this. And now it's ready to be a tree. So that's why.
So you are going to be the mother of this tree because you are going to plant it?
the center we have to make a hole with a stick. Look extra.
How we know? How we...
Yeah,
If you don't have coconut when you come to the south, what are you even doing?
Wow.
I want Sahil, come here na, vlog na. My coconut experience.
Mariel Pani gang.
Shout out to Muskan.
Oh, I was
भाई मिंट के ऊपर डाल. अच्छा लग रहा है पर मिंट के ऊपर थोड़ा.
Hey Kanji, what is this flower on? Oh, a clip hai.
Crop of this earth. Right now you're an outcrop who prances around. After some time, you will become a small mound.
We are having lunch on a banana leaf. Little, yes. Thank you. Looks good. Almost done. And Sahil, they gave Sahil a lot of rice.
Not getting over.
All below 23.
We just saw a peacock. Let me show you.
Don't disturb her.
We have come to a school. What an aesthetic school. Look at the classroom.
It's 8B.
8B. Feels like we are back to school. We are in the chemistry lab and this is it. This is the library, open library. Wow, yeah, I wish I had something like this in school. I would be interested in reading books then. Look at this. This is their sports complex and they have all sports here. Tennis, cricket, badminton, wow, football.
Bhai, this school is, I don't know, it's something else because
It's like another world in itself. It's like a,
Come this side,
not
like this
even
from
a
here.
university. Way more than that.
I mean, I don't know, would I come to this school or not, but it's a vibe. Like I would love a 10-day over here.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So you can use your phone once a year, that too on your birthday. So
We just came back to the room and I washed my face and all, and I'm feeling better because it was so hot outside, and we have a little break for a few minutes, not a few minutes, maybe 1.5 hours or something, and then we are going to the Adi Yogi statue, the big 112 feet statue that you all will see. I'm really excited for that because everyone who comes here has been putting photos of this, and there's like a light and sound show over there, so that's going to be interesting. It's been a really long day. Like I feel like the day has been going on for so long. Like it feels like it's 2 days already. Like today is 2 days already, but it's just the day is not even over yet. Let me show you what is in front of me. Oh my god, it's huge. I don't think you will be able to experience what I just experienced on camera. I don't know what does justice, but this feels like something I've never experienced. So overwhelming, so divine, so powerful, and like I don't have words. Like especially when the light and sound show was going on, it felt real. It felt like we were like he was right in front of us and we were experiencing it. And
This, like what we witnessed, was
you need to
magical.
come here and witness it.
Magical.
On videos, it doesn't do justice.
Kanchi was constantly showing me her hands. See goosebumps. It was crazy.
Dinner has been served and it looks good. Morning guys, it is literally 6 a.m. and I'm ready. As I told you all that we wanted to go to the Adi Yogi statue in the morning, and this is how the morning looks. So we're gonna go now, and I woke up so easily because I slept so early and I don't even feel tired. That's the benefit of sleeping early, I guess. This is my outfit for today. My kurta has like, if you look closely, it has elephants on it and it's so cute. Look at the sunrise, it's so beautiful. Feels like this is such a pretty place. And look here. Oh my god. Let's go. You and behind. It's a frame. It's so pretty. From one side you could see that the sun rays are falling on him, and from one side it's like not, because the moon is on that side. Guys, we spotted a rainbow. How pretty. We have
To preserve the native archaeology, out of which here we are housing around 25 native builds in the Kausha.
मेरा बहुत कम है.
हाँ ना, मेरे तेरा भी इधर.
I think he'll eat mine in a bite.
नो सर, ये पकड़ो.
जय भाई, साइड
हमारे
में.
भी जा भाई, तू चले.
ये फोन ले लेना हाथ में.
So many cows. What is that? Show how much you got, Jay.
आधे गांव की फसल.
This is for our viewers, for context.
We are going into the puja room and they're gonna give us some milk. I'm so excited. I haven't had milk in 3 days. Let's go.
So plain milk without any flavor.
यार ऐसे मत कर यार. any ubit काटी ना.
Oh, not juicy. It has lot of health benefit.
It's very nice.
What is your name?
Oh wow.
Rabdi. It tastes like rabdi, hot rabdi.
Yesterday,
It's good. I
Yesterday?
did this.
that day, your brother was having suku, but he said it's like hot Coca-Cola.
But this
Not
is not
rabdi.
suku. This is not suku.
He said it's
This is suku.
We are in a school and look who's around us. So many. Woohoo! Hi. What's your name? Harry. Harry. Namaskaram.
Hello, Anna. How are you, Anna? His name is Arish. Arish.
This is their school. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Jay.
Hi. What standard are you in?
I will standard is first standard.
Oh, nice. We have changed and now everything's over. We just have the closing ceremony at 7:15. But before that, we're just gonna roam around and Like, yeah, because we have nothing to do and we're going to leave tomorrow morning. So that's what we're going to do now. We are on a tempo.
We are on a tempo. Email subject. We are on a tempo. Alright. Alright. Tempo ride with you. Let's go.
Natural farming.
Sorry?
Hi guys, so this is the end of this video. I am back in the room and they had a closing ceremony for us right now where they had an after movie and like of the entire event, and they also had some really like cool stuff. We heard some music and the food was so good. They had dosa and I didn't vlog at night because I was really tired, and I'm like, I've vlogged enough for the day. There was dosa, there was gajar halwa, what else, there was a grape juice. It was just yummy. Today's meal was the best, and yeah, I had such a good time here, and I'm so grateful that I got to be a part of this experience, because we don't experience this kind of lifestyle when we are in cities, when we are living in cities and we are going through the hustle culture and stuff like that. So I feel everyone needs that kind of detox once in a while, and I think I'm glad that I did it, because I don't think I would usually do it. So this is a new experience for me and I'm so happy that I did it, and I might do it more in the future. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Tell me how you liked it and what was your favorite part, and if you've ever been here, then tell me what was your favorite thing. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.